In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Chevy Volt key fob. Replacing your battery at home is super easy to do. You won't need any special tools to get it done. You'll just need a coin, a regular coin like a quarter or a nickel will work best, and one CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around or you're not sure where to get one, make sure you check out the link in the description. That first link will take you over to an Amazon listing where you can get these batteries for just a couple bucks. Now let's just jump right into it. What we want to do is flip open the key and then find the area that the key was just housed, and seeing the back, we're just going to push up on the lip of this back section of plastic. We'll be removing this square. So you can hold up on the top on the Chevy symbol, squeeze down there while you just push up. You can see this is the part we're removing. It should be pretty loose enough that you can just do it with your thumb like that. If you're having trouble with that, go and grab your coin and insert it in, not up here. This piece will not be moving. You want to be down here. And again, you're holding on the top, just gently holding, and twist your coin, and that should make it a little bit easier to get this piece off of there. From here, it is so easy. We just want to push down gently right on the battery in front of this tab. You can see that plastic that's holding it down. Just gently push and it will pop out. So dispose of your old battery, take your new CR2032, and when you're putting it in there, make sure that the positive side is facing up. So slide it under that tab and then push it down so that it sits flat, positive side up. And now we can just put this back section of plastic back on there and squeeze, push it down so that it's nice and secure. And with that, you have a new battery inside your device and you are good to go. I hope that video helped you out. And if it did, feel free to let me know in the comments or just by giving this video a like, because we'd love to hear from you guys. We'd love to know we're helping you out. And if you ever need help with another key fob, you can come back here to this channel. We've got you covered with videos for the devices for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information directly over at our website, FobBattery.com.